Welcome to HCL Launch demo. In this video, I am going to cover one useful business case. Say you have a deployment process which has a number of steps to do various activities, and the requirement here is we would like to send email notification to some of the target audience based on certain number of steps, execution successful, failure, or some other information we want to notify through the email. So this needs HCL Launch to do SMTP based email communication to the target audience. We have a notification scheme, but that is tied up to the roles, and then based on the roles and based on the notification setup that you have done, you will be able to do notifications. But this is something which is extra, where it gives more other advantages of customizing subject line, customizing the text, and then sending to an email distribution list or multiple users based on various conditions. So for this, we are going to use a plugin called as Send SMTP Email plugin. When you go to the GitHub, you'll be able to see Send SMTP Email Extended UCD with attachment as a plugin. And then it has only source code. So just download the source code and unzip the source code into a folder. Now I have done unzip here. This is called as root directory. Under root directory, run gradlw command. So once you run this gradlw command, either you use command prompt or git bash I'm using. So you just run gradlw command, then the build will be successful. Then you will see a folder called as build/distributions. In that we have a plugin zip generated. Once you have this plugin generated, now go to the next step. Go to the HCL Launch. Click on the settings. I'm going to show you how to load the plugin. Click on automation plugin and then click on load plugin. Here you are going to select the plugin that you have generated, basically a zip file that you have generated using choose file and then submit. Since I have done this activity, I'm not going to repeat, but once you are done, you will see that there is a Send SMTP Email Extended plugin available, and then it provides email with attachment facility for your process. Now, after this, we also need to do one more setup. Since it is SMTP based communication, so let's inspect our SMTP setup. So in my case, I have gone to general settings page where mail server settings, I have configured host as a local host, port as a 2525, and then sender email address as noreply@hcl.com. Username and password I am keeping it default because I am not using official SMTP server. Rather, I am using a fake SMTP server. Now let me start a fake SMTP server. I have downloaded from GitHub a fake SMTP server. To start it, you need to go to the command prompt and say java-jar, name of the jar. It will load a user interface, and you see that listening port for this is 2525, hence I have configured 2525 in my HCL Launch. If you change it, remember to change here in HCL Launch as well. And once you launch this UI, it is very important that you click on this start server, otherwise it will not be listening to any emails. Clicking on the start server, now it is waiting for any emails on this particular port. Now, I will show you how is my overall demonstration setup. To show you demonstration, I have one application called as Launch app and having one environment called as development environment. And then it has a component called as launch component, and it has a process defined called as launch deploy to deploy the component into development environment. So to have this step, you need to drag and drop install component and then configure which component and what process of the component you need to run. Let's see what is there in the component. In the launch component, I have a number of versions of it, and then I have set up an agent on which it has to be deployed, and then most important, a process where we are going to use the plugin step. So the process name is launch dev deploy, and this is where is my step. So how to get this step? So in this filter bar, you search for email. You will see that under miscellaneous there is a step called as send SMTP email extended. So drag and drop here and then configure it. What I have done here is I have given a name, deploy success email, and to list I have given some email ID. It's my email ID, and then under subject I have given some useful message to indicate what exactly we are communicating through this email. In the subject I have given some information. It's just for a demo purpose, and these are the mandatory, and don't worry about other fields here. And then save this particular process, and now I'm going to show you how exactly it will work. So as you know, in HCL Launch, in order to execute any component process, you have to do application process. So now I'm going to request for a process. Here it loaded me a launch application for development environment, and the process name is launch deploy. If you have multiple processes, you choose correct one. Now under component selection, I can define what the version of the component that I want to deploy right now for this demonstration. Let me select one component, say 1.0 copy. Say next. I don't have any specific properties to be verified, so I will go skip there and then run now. So I am not going to schedule it for any future date. I'm going to run it. So I'll leave it as default. Now I verify everything is correct and then click on submit for the deployment. Now you are taken to deployment log where the execution starts. Using this expand all button, expand the processes, and this is one which we are very much interested. Now let me launch the email tool, and as you see that the steps been successful, it already sent one email. Double click on this email. Now you will see that you'll get an email with given subject, from address, sender address, and then to address, and then content that we have defined. So with this, you will be able to communicate to your audience and target audience for various steps, success, failure, or any specific things that you want to communicate via email based method. So I feel that you must be having such business case requirement in your organization. Please explore this particular feature and then post any questions or comments that you have on our blog site or on a HCL product page, so that we can help you to make use of HCL Launch in much better ways.